Hi, this is Linda with another recipe. I'm making Greek yogurt donuts or two ingredient donuts. In our bowl, we add our flour and our yogurt, and we're going to stir everything till it forms a dough, and it will be a soft dough. Hi, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. So I'm just going to mix until they all come together with no traces of flour left, as you can see in the video. So we are almost there. So whilst our oil is preheating, then our oil is ready. So I'm just using a melon scoop or ice cream scoop to scoop so that I can get uniform sizes into the oil. And you want the oil to be on medium heat so that you can cook it slowly without overcooking it until it's golden brown. Then you take them out of the oil onto a paper lined tray for it to absorb all the excess oil from the dough. So in our bowl we are making our icing or glaze with sprouted sugar, melted butter, vanilla, and we're going to cover the dough with it and transfer it for it to dry off and set. So there you have it, our two ingredients of Greek yogurt donut. Thanks for watching.